For more than 100 years, Oatey's family of cements and primers have been the preferred choice of plumbing professionals. That's because they're made for pros, by pros. Which means you can always count on the strongest solvent weld in the industry and cements and primers built to withstand even the toughest conditions.
I've been using Oatey cements as long as I've been in the plumbing industry, which is 16 years?
20 plus years.
Essentially my entire career, a little over 10 years.
I've been using Oatey for over 20 years.
From hot to cold and wet to dry, there's a solvent cement to meet your pipe installation requirements.
No matter what kind of job you're on, you can always depend on the Oatey product. They have something for everything.
Oatey cements come in a variety of colors and formulas that provide fast or slow set times, or that accommodate special temperatures, moistures, or pressure conditions on the job site. They also meet ASTM, NSF, and UPC standards for a wide variety of applications, including potable water, DWV, industrial, pool and spa, turf and irrigation, sewer, and many more. Our proprietary formulas provide a range of options, such as pipe corrosion protection, one-step, no primer needed application, and UV light detection. We proudly manufacture our products in the USA with a commitment to quality and consistency. And with years of expertise and leadership in the plumbing industry, you can rely on Oatey for best-in-class support, whether you're looking for general product help or the latest in product innovation.
What I love is that they have a bunch of actual master plumbers on staff who are able to communicate with you and give you answers. They also have a great training facility in a specific area just for customer relations where they're able to help you and make sure that you're getting every job done properly, correctly, and professionally.
Oatey is the only thing I've ever used. I've never used another brand, and I don't plan on it because I trust it and it's never let me down.
Oatey's just been my go-to brand, professional quality product. What I was trained on and what I'll stick with.
Oatey cements have just proven that their quality is consistent every time.
So no matter the solvent weld job or application, choose Oatey and get it done right every time.